One of the best way to make crypto arbitrage trade is coming to the website to buy airtime cheap on this website and trying to sell to another country at the cheaper rate. For example, now I'm going to select Nigeria right here, Nigeria, and I'm just going to input a number right here. I'm going to press go. I'm going to select the provider. If I'm buying 10,000 worth of this airtime, worth of $37, right now I will be paying 10,616 naira. Right now, since you see it over here, as you can see over here, you know that you can make money with this kind of trade. If you try to trade with another country, you can trade it with another Africa country or any other place you see you can make money with this kind of arbitrage. So once you see over here that you can make, there is different in price. Right now on Binance, one US dollar is trading around 743 or 45 or 42 naira at the time of recording of this video. So right now, as you can see over here, you know that you can actually make profit with this kind of arbitrage since you see the difference in price. So you can just try to make your additional research to know what's best and what country you want to trade with. And I will go back and select one of African country, because on Binance you'll be able to sell airtime on Binance to another African country to make money. On this video, I'm going to select Kenya. Then I'm going to input number to know the amount of coin to make a little research on if I'm going to make money with this kind of arbitrage trading with someone that is in Kenya. And I'm going to select the second option over here, Kenya Safaricom. Over here, I'm going to press this. And remember, this is the highest top up over here, and this is what we talk about. You remember, if we in Nigeria, if we buy this, we're going to be buying this 10,616 naira. And right here, if we are buying this with this Kenya shilling, you'll be paying 2,862. So, and we'll be getting 37.25 US dollar. So this is the rate right here. It said mobile top up. This next thing you are going to do, you need to go to Binance to know the difference in price. Maybe if you buy this, and mind you, there are some virtual card that is working in Nigeria. So if your normal regular debit card is not working, there are some GTB and some monthly bank card you need to be paying for you to be able to make this kind of international trade with your naira in your account. So make sure you do your additional research, and there are some another option for you to do this in your home country. I'm going to show you at the end of this video. So right now, let's just focus on this, checking if we can make profit with trading with someone in Kenya. So right now, you need to go to your Binance, and after getting to your Binance, you have to change this and press KES. Press it now. Right now we are on track right now. Then you have to use this filter over here. You have to select this amount of, you remember, amount of this Kenya shilling. Then you have to select this. This is the network we are paying right now. Someone is going to pay us USDT, and we are going to recharge his phone number. So right here, you need to press confirm, and Remember, you'll be bringing your number over here as sale. So someone that wants to buy for you, buy your US dollar, buy your Kenya airtime top up is going to buy from you right here. Is going to use this option. And remember, if he press 2,862, so right now you'll be getting, with this amount of Kenya shilling, you'll be getting 28.98 cents USDT. And you just have to go back. Remember, you will change this again. Let me go back again. Press this amount of USDT. You just have to press. You're going to press buy, and it's going to give you its details over here. Its details right here. This is the number you need to buy is top up to, and this is the payment mode. So after doing this, you are going to receive this USDT in your Binance account, and you are able to make this trade successfully with this guy over here. And you will need to come back to your Naira bank over here, and let's calculate how much you'll be getting, how much dollar you'll be in Naira you'll be getting right here. So you'll be getting 15,581 Naira. So this is how much you'll be in the final making this transaction. That's the amount of money you'll be getting. So you have to minus it, minus 10,616. So you'll be making a profit of 4,951 Naira with this single trade. So doing this, remember I said I'm going to show you a different way to make payment on this platform. You just have to go. I'm going to go back again, and you'll be wondering if this is legit. You'll be able to download this on Apple Store and Google Play Store if you are using Android or Apple. And if you download this, it may not work on your phone directly. You might need to download VPN to operate this on your phone. And this is the way you'll be able to make these payments if your regular debit card is not working, and you're able to find a paper good rate that you can make this transaction in Nigeria. You can do this all in your local currency. Make sure you are doing your own additional research for you to be able to know maybe you'll be able to make money with this or not. I think this Apple Pay is not working in Nigeria and Google Play. So if you do your own research, you know that there are some available virtual debit card in Nigeria which you can use to do this transaction. So you'll be paying monthly subscription with this bank in Nigeria. You just have to make your own research. So that's the set of payment mode you'll be able to make this. You'll be able to make this trade. And right here, these are the airtime provider you'll be able to buy on this website, and that's what you need to know. Then this is just a review video, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'm just giving you guys these updates to know that it's possible to make money with this site. So you just have to do your own additional research to know how you can come about how to make this trade to make money. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up your notification bell.